Hello guys, this is Azim and today we are going to take a look on rather interesting and special box in front of me. It is not a normal small box which I receive usually for unboxing and all those purpose. It's a giant big box and you can see it has a Vivobook label on it. Don't worry, it is not a Vivo product, it's an Asus Ultrabook. It has all the latest technology like i5 8th Gen, 8GB of RAM, 1TB hard drive and all those stuff. We have purchased this Ultrabook from Chroma store near us for around 43,000 rupees. But the original MRP of this product is around 55 to 59,000 rupees. So we get a really great discount on this product. This Ultrabook I have borrowed from my friend Somesh. So a big shout out for Somesh for giving me this Ultrabook for the unboxing and overview purpose. For now, we'll go with the unboxing of this product. Opening the box and you can see the laptop up top. Keeping that aside, and we have some manual and paper guides, and on the most right side of the box we have a compartment in which our power cable and charging brick resides. Now the charging brick is quite interesting. It is not like traditional rectangle box, it is square box with glossy finish which gives it a refreshed look. And it's worth mentioning that the connector does not have any kind of LED indicator, so that's all you get in the box of the Asus Vivobook. Now taking out the laptop from its cover and you can see the signature diamond-like design of Asus which starts from the Asus logo and spread across the entire top lid of the laptop, which is in my opinion is kinda cool and unique look. And now powering this laptop we have i5 8th generation with 8GB of DDR4 RAM and 2GB of NVIDIA GeForce 940MX graphic card with 1TB of hard drive. Then we have some more specific features of this laptop which is only limited to the Vivo series. For the detailed specs, the processor is Core i5-8250U with the graphic card of NVIDIA GeForce 940MX clocked at 1 GHz. Then we have 8GB of fast DDR4 RAM with memory expansion slot. The screen here is Full HD with 141 ppi, the hard drive is 1TB and the processor is based on Intel's new Kaby Lake architecture. The most impressive thing about this laptop is its display. It's bright, color accurate and sharp. Media consumption on this laptop is charm, and because of that NVIDIA 940MX, the graphic related thing is really a satisfaction on this laptop. No doubt in that the Asus provided a great display in this laptop. The viewing angle is also good. There is no color shifting or any blurriness while looking into the laptop from sides. So if you want a laptop with great display, this Ultrabook is worth giving to be considered. Now for the connectivity part, on the right side we have 3.5mm headphone jack with USB Type-C, HDMI slot and USB 3.0 for fast data transfer with charging port at the top, and at the left we have two USB 2.0 with a microSD card slot and an indicator for battery charging and monitor. So a big thumbs up for Asus for not skipping any of the required ports. The laptop is really lightweight and it is really portable. The structure is really solid and there is no crackling or wobbling anywhere. The keyboard though has a little bit of flex to it and at the center, but it is not a deal breaker. The keys are chiclet style with no backlight, which is in my opinion is the first drawback of the laptop. Key travel is good, so typing on this laptop should not be an issue for most people. The trackpad is medium size, which I found the second drawback, but is accurate and smooth with no lag or whatsoever. The speakers are located at the bottom. The sound quality, well, take a look. They are not the loudest in person, but they are clear and easy to listen with great amount of details in the song. Now the most important part, the working and performance. Here I must say this laptop shines out. Surfing internet, watching online videos, working with some basic applications like Word, PowerPoint, all works really smooth and without any lag. Even working with multiple applications, the laptop doesn't lag at all, thanks to its fast and plentiful 8GB of DDR4 RAM. I'm a developer, so even heavy application for this laptop is like a piece of cake. Inbuilt microphone though is a proper calibrated, so you can get most out of the Windows 10. For example, Cortana. Hey Cortana, find me a cheapest pizza place nearby.
I found 5 places matching pizza place that are inexpensive. There's Domino's Pizza at ground floor, Ballini Arcade, OPP Syndicate and ISIS banking thing.
So that much for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video. Like if you liked it, and if you didn't like, let me know in the comment section below. If you has any query related to this laptop, feel free to ask in comment section. I also started social networking accounts on Insta and Twitter, so please take a look at there also. For now, my name is Azim Sheikh. Wrapping this video. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.